So, hello everyone. I hope you must have understood the last topic that we have already discussed and you must have revised through your book. In this video, we are going to discuss about the new social and political changes that have taken place over the years. So, basically, when we are going to talk about social and political changes, before that, we are going to talk about the technological changes. So, technological changes have been one of the major transformation because living in the modern in the 21st century, we cannot go away with the technology. So the major transformation that has taken place is the shift of teaching from school is now teaching from home. And studying in school has now shifted from studying at homes. Okay. So in the meantime, before I share my screen to you, I request everyone to kindly take out your notebooks so that you can copy the important points. So once you revise the chapter, you're able to revise it in a better way. Okay. As I've already shared in my last video, that we cannot go away with the technology, but then we cannot say that there was no technology invention or there was no invention in the period of 1700 to 1750, but rather it was initially developing. So in the technology was initially developing at that point of time, so we were not very much techno savvy, but it was just a setup. Say for example, you have just been admitted to school in class nursery rather than going to 12. So the world has also changed and shifted in that way. Starting from irrigation technology, like there are now we are mostly coming across to the irrigation facilities, like there are electric run wells, there are sprinklers, there are so many other methods in which irrigation takes place apart from lying on to the traditional practices. But earlier what we were having was Persian wheels for irrigation. You can see that in this particular wheel, small buckets are being fitted up, and the wheel used to revolve, and then what used to happen, it used to carry the water in the bucket, and then through it used to water it to the field. So this was one of the system of irrigation that was developed. Like if we take for example, say for example, mobile. See, this is not this is one of the major shift that has taken place in the system of irrigation. Same we talk about mobile phones. If we take example, that earlier we were using very normal handsets. Later on it transformed into a better developed structure. Then now we are moving from QWERTY, we have traveled to the age of touch screen. So that is one of the transformation in technology, because technology has shifted or has uplifted over the years. Okay, so that is what we can take an example. Spinning wheels. So can you ever imagine, apart from watching only at Mahatma Gandhi, that he used to spin the wheel for weaving, rather even now we are now so much relying and dependent upon the mills for the production of cloth. But earlier it was spinning wheel that came up into being, that was discovered at that point of time, so that the cloth can be weaved properly. Okay, and there was firearms for combat. So firearms were introduced in order to fight the battles. Okay, so this was one of the major thing that has been introduced during those time period. So these are the few technological changes that has taken place. So moving on to the next slide, I'll show you a video before I proceed.
New social and political groups. At different moments, new technologies made their appearance. The Persian wheel in irrigation, the spinning wheel in weaving, firearms in combat. All these innovations, new technologies and crops came along with people who brought other ideas with them as well. As a result, This was a period of economic, political, social, and cultural changes. This was also a period of great mobility. Groups of people traveled long distances in search of opportunity. The subcontinent held immense wealth and the possibilities for people to carve a fortune. One group of people who became important in this period were the Rajputs, a name derived from Rajputra, the son of a ruler. Throughout this period, agriculture was gaining importance. Forests were cleared and brought under cultivation. As forests were cleared, forest dwellers had to migrate, others starting tilling the land and became peasants. These new peasants groups became part of large complex societies. A great social divide was created among the peasants. Ranks varied according to the power, influence, and resources controlled by members of the jati or caste. The status of the same jati could vary from area to area. Jatis framed their own rules of conduct for their members.
Okay. Okay, so now since you have seen that we were talking about the transformations that were taking place, so that the transformation that have taken place, you saw that that was a period of great mobility that involves the movement of people. So when people were coming along with themselves, they were bringing so many things with them, their culture, their tradition, their foods, their languages, everything was brought in by the people into the places that they were traveling. So the huge complex society was created, and the people, since due to the mobility was taking place on a larger scale, so what happened, the people were started settling themselves up in the society. And what happens, the forest area, the people earlier, the entire community majorly was occupied by the tribal people. So what happened, the people, even the tribes and even so many people who were belonging to a forested region, they shifted from one place to another, because entirely because the society was being set up and the people started agriculture in that particular area. So forest has to be clear, and there was a complete settlement of the forest, and then in place of forest, the land was converted into the agricultural lands, and there a lot of agriculture was taking place, as there were the people who started uh, uh, who started with the work of tilling the lands, and they have become peasants. Okay, so in the same way, when the people became the part of the complex structure of the society, they often were ranked or classified according to their social structure, or the jatis were like we already know that there are four in Varn system, there are four things that emerge up. The four classification is there in Varn, that is Kshatriya, Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. So these are the different four classification. But earlier people were often classified on the basis of occupations that they were taking up. Okay, and you know that once the jati was categorized, or the people were categorized according to the jatis, they were often grouped into certain uh, particular jatis, and then there were the entire family was owned. First of all, what happened, there was a leader who was appointed. There was a person, the most elderly, the elder person was appointed as the leader of the jati panchayat, and he was taking up all the decisions related to any of the justification matters or any of the justice related issues. So it was all dependent upon the most elderly person who was the head of the jati panchayat, and each jati has its own rules and regulations. They were not bound to follow a particular rule, but everyone can follow their own jati's rules as it was prescribed by a particular jati, in particular jati. So basically we see that when the people have started joining into the society was becoming more and more complex because the people often became the part of it, and they have started their entire lifestyle in a way that was not followed earlier. So actually this is what we are going to study here. Once you are going to read the textbook, it will be more clear. And you know that one thing I forgot to mention, that was you know that each jati has a separate status, and the status of each jati vary from area to area. That means a jati may hold importance at a particular place. Say for example, if there's a particular jati which is having more dominant into the Punjab region but not in UP, so it can be possible. So jati basically vary from area to area. There may be possible that a jati is given more importance in a particular region or an area, but it may not be given that importance or that level of importance in other area. So it is possible, so that so we can say that it was doing in a well way. So I hope you have understood the lecture well. Kindly do the revision. Thank you so much.